Just waiting for the stream to take place here. And we are live. Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the Money Matrix. I will be your host today for this live trading session. I am Mr. Money Matrix, but I am not your financial advisor, and obviously I am not your president. Hopefully we can have a little bit of entertainment today in the stream. I welcome any kind of pranksters or jokes who might join in. Feel welcome to make smart comments or funny comments, whatever it may be. And we're going to have a live session today of how I plan to trade in and out of Bitcoin with Stellar Lumens and Ripple XRP. And just a second, let me pull up live stream chat before everybody gets in here. Just a moment, and there we go. A little hello. There we go. Let me fix my toupee. No, actually, this is my real hair. This is not a toupee. It's a beautiful hair piece, I tell you, but it's not a toupee. All right, first off, we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin is surging back up to the resistance of $12,000. I think we're currently trading at 11,700. I will be using the crypto exchange Bittrex, and currently we are testing upper resistance, and hopefully we can bounce in between 11,700, give or take, and the lower regions of $11,000 within that price range of $700. If we could do that, we will continue to build a consolidation level for Bitcoin to gain support for a future launch into the price range of $13,000 to possibly $15,000. During this time, me as a trader, I am looking for opportunity to take profit in the altcoins pumping during the Bitcoin consolidation. So we're going to hang out today, and I will just give you an inside look of what I would do during my trading times. Fortunately, yesterday I am still in my position with Stellar Lumens and XRP, so I am not in a position to sell those yet. I am waiting for a chance to gain profit compared to Bitcoin. And this is something to take a look at. This is the Bitcoin markets. Everything except for Ravencoin, imagine that, Ravencoin, is negative. But that's in the Bitcoin market. But in the USD market, pretty much everything is green except for, of course, US dollars. And a couple other stragglers who have pumped tremendously over the last couple of months. Tezos, wow. Okay, so wow, we hit a top out of $3.27. Man, I really could have made more profit if I held on to that coin a little bit longer. But that's what it is, you know, folks. And Zcash is doing really good. Ethereum Classic. Oh my God. Oh, I knew I should have got in. How did it? Oh my God. See, that's crazy, man. Ethereum Classic was offline and untradeable for quite some time. So you would have to be very lucky. Oh my God. If you. Oh. Wow. This is just freaking incredible. If you had a buy order set in somewhere around here, you are very extremely lucky. Yeah, look at Ethereum Classic, man. It's incredible, man. If you had a buy order right here, you could have got Ethereum Classic under $3. A steal. For some time, I don't know. I'm not sure about the other exchanges, but on Bittrex, the one I'm using right here, Ethereum Classic was offline for some time. It was untradeable. and I knew that once it became tradable, it would take off because it was lagging in the compared to the other coins. Hello, Samuel. Welcome to the stream, man. You like my hair? My hair is beautiful, ain't it? Yeah, right now, like I'm saying, I'm still in my XRP position and my Stellar Lumens position, and Bitcoin really took off on me, man. So I'm really hoping that the dominance doesn't take off. If the dominance take off, man, I might have to take a profit loss in Bitcoin. And I wouldn't say a profit loss. Hey, what's up? Oh man, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. What's up, Samuel? I'm here to pump this coin. Man, I got a Richard Nixon mask too, man, and I'm gonna have to talk to a company. I want to get a Ben Franklin mask, but I'm gonna have to get it custom made. So, but I think that's gonna be epic. I love doing that, man. It looks so crazy. But anyway, man, you know, I wanted to do something different. Yes, this Trump vapes. I'm Donald Pump. Not Trump, Donald Pump. Because I am here to pump the markets. Oh my god. Well, hello, Miss Tawny. How you doing? Everybody keeps calling me Donald. But you call me Donald. But my last name is P-U-M-P. Pump. Donald Pump. Yes, I am here to pump this shit up. And the whole reason behind the mask and everything is, you know, it's something that's different than I have seen on any other people's videos and streams in the cryptocurrency market. President Pump, thank you. That is correct. Yes. President Pump. I am not your financial advisor, and I'm not your American president. I'm just some guy on the internet trading cryptocurrency. Anyway, this right here is very important. This is the Bitcoin dominance. Let's take a look right here at what we were working with. I want to see some resistance here, man. I really do. There we go. Let's put a little cautionary line on that. But definitely, I would love to have a Ben Franklin mask. That would be epic. I mean, I got to thinking, man, the whole reason behind the mask is, you know, just something, you scrolling through some videos and you come across a guy like this, you know, like, yeah, you're going to click on it, man. But that's just one aspect of my content that I offer. I offer some valid content when it comes to technical analysis. I take my charting's very serious because it's tied to my money. I'm not going to show you exactly my trade as I'm trading them. I trade from my phone. I don't want you seeing my account. But what I'm doing is I'm giving you real time at what I'm looking at and what I am potentially looking to enter or exit. Currently, I'm in altcoins right now, and I am stuck in a position where if I was to sell my altcoins back into Bitcoin, I would have less Bitcoin than what I initially started with yesterday. And that is not what I want. I want to continuously build my portfolio without adding extra fiat currency into the system. I will add some fiat currency depending on the situation, but it's very limited. That's not what I want to do. And as you can see right now, everything's negative compared to Bitcoin. But as long as the Bitcoin dominance doesn't go up extremely much, I'm in good position. So we're just going to hang out and feel free to stop in, check in, see what we're talking about. Leave a comment. Leave a like if you dare. I don't mind. I'm going to be here for a minute. Vaping. Yes, vaping. Let's take a look. I want to, since I'm in these coins right now, I'm going to call up some people I know and see what they know. Well, yes, hello. Do we have any information about stellar lumens? Well, that's confidential, you say. Well, I take that very interesting. Any good news about stellar or Ripple coming together and working together? That's confidential as well. Well, I shall not say no more. Well, do we have any events coming up with Ripple or stellar? Oh, I have to look for it myself. Well, you do your own fucking research, fucking asshole. Well, apparently, folks, I got to do my own research. And that's what we do. And I advise you do your own research. And I can't see worth a shit out this fucking mask. Here we go. Oh, well. Is Ripple a good investment? Yeah, it can be a good investment. I think it is a good investment. A lot of information I've heard. There are some swell events. Here we go. Ripple swell. Ripple conference tickets. Friday, February 21st, 2020. Okay, that's already passed. 3 problems XRP price could face in 2020. Swell by Ripple. Well, isn't that just swell? May 29th, 2020. Operation Swell. Alright, let's go back up here. Why is my mouse not mousing? Alright, let's take a look at this. You know, a lot of times you just got to sit back and wait for the price to move for you. And during that time, you can do your research. Check into other people's ideas. I usually watch a few people on Twitter, a few people on YouTube, just to get a counter opinion from my own. I don't want to just constantly stay in echo chamber. Staying in the echo chamber, man, you're not going to hear any outside opinions or perspectives. And even if there are negative, or some people call them FUD, research that FUD, man. You know, see what it's about. You never know what you might find. Bitcoin is $11,633. Bitcoin dominance is at 62.27%. So let's have a little quick look at the Ripple Swell. Ripple Swell brings together the world's most trusted voices in payments, financial service, blockchain technology, and policies, committed to changing the way money moves globally today. In its 4th year, Swell unites customers, partners, thought leaders, and ecosystem players in one place to conduct business. It's where RippleNet comes to life. Well, ain't that just grand? Any upcoming meetings? Okay, July 29th, that's already happened. North America, San Francisco, Golden Gate Bridge. Ooh, August the 13th, 2020. Okay, markets move. Where there's this thing that's called buy the rumor, sell the news. So, today's date is what, August the 5th? If I'm not mistaken, August the 5th. Between now and August the 12th, I expect a good pump, a good dog pump for XRP. Then August the 26th, we have the APAC. September the 2nd, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, embarrass myself. In Europe, September the 16th. So we got 2 this month and 2 more next month, with a total of 5 with this in this summer season. It's very good. A lot of market movers will push the coin in and out of these dates right here. Depending on what the 2 August bring, I would expect XRP to reach somewhere close to 40 something cents, as it did in 2017 markets, where it reached up to 45 cents and started consolidating before pushing up to $1. So hodl away, my friends, hodl away. But for me, I will be trading, and that's where I will be selling my XRP around 45 to 50 cents, depending on these news right here. I will keep a track of this. Okay, now close that out. Now we can leave it open in case somebody else wants to talk about it. I do use Brave browser, but I had so many bad experiences with the wallet and not getting my coins or whatever for advertisements. I don't even fool with it, but I do like the Brave browser itself because it does have a built-in VPN and is very helpful. I haven't been using this Brave browser on this desktop yet for very long, and I've already have a good bit of helpful things that's helped. Yeah, whatever. Bandwidth save, trackers and ad blocks, time saved, blah blah blah. Let's check out some stellar news. Can Stellar Lumens XLM hit $100? Man, that's really pushing it there, fellas. It could. It could reach $100 for like a minute, maybe. I don't know. But $100 would be like my maximum amount possible. My more realistic outlook for Stellar Lumens is around $25 to $30 a coin, and that's like up there. Like $10 is more feasible. Will it happen in 2021? Probably not. I'm looking for a top out price of maybe $6 to $8 per Stellar Lumens coin. August the 4th, latest XLM Stellar news. Let's take a look. No results found. Well, wow. Well, okay. We got some markets here show 11 cents per coin. That's a good thing. That's very good. What? 22 cents? Get the what the? Wait a minute. I can't be reading this right. Okay, Bitcoin is still testing 11,700. Bitcoin dominance is 62.29%. Let's have a closer look into the altcoins. This would have been a great opportunity had I just held on to my Bitcoins until today and bought right about now. Would have been a good thing. Possibly. I'll take a quick look, and we'll hypothetically pretend that I have not bought my altcoins yet, and I'm still holding Bitcoin. And that chart is not fucking right. I do like some of the updates that Bittrex has made. They have added a lot of the TradingView elements, tools for this exchange. Usually I would have my Bittrex account pulled up and I wouldn't really use the chart other than maybe one indicator, like a couple of moving averages, and I would pull up a TradingView account to use the other tools for that. Okay, 4 hours. Oof. Oof. Okay, short term, we might have some pullback soon. I did not want that to happen. If we don't bounce here, Bitcoin is going to take off. Like, tremendously. Like, if, yeah, this right here, what this is showing me, when I see the altcoin Bitcoin pairing dropping, that tells me the Bitcoin is pumping. So, I mean, that's more than obvious, really, but let's pull up a little trend line. My internet is running slow. Great. Fucking great. There we go. Yeah, looking at this stochastic RSI right here, we're already making a bottom and expecting to curl up like as we did right here. This should be the bottom right here. Just looking at this right here, I would want to sell at this moment. Looking at stochastic RSI, it kind of helps me look at the short term scenario as whether or not the coin has reached a short-term bottom or a top. I find it easier to look for the bottoms with the stochastic RSI. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to close some pages here. My poor little desktop cannot keep up with all this. I should be plugged in hardwire. Oh my lordy. Let's close that out too. Just to minimize that. And we're going to go short range. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this, man, really, Bitcoin is really looking bullish right now. Alright, the green is the 200, the white is the 50, the yellow is the 21, and red is the 10. These moving averages right here, I just called out by color, work on any time frame. And on the lower time frames, when I'm trading, especially on the 30-minute chart, once the price holds support above this green line, that's my go signal. And I really don't want that to happen. That means I'm going to have to sell my altcoins at a loss in Bitcoin for the greater good. I really do not want that to happen right now. I would like to see another retest of this lower channel right here down to the 50, back to 61.92%. But here is previous support, which we might be getting ready to test again. Yep. So we'll see what happens here soon. I'll keep this going. Now this is the weekly chart for XRP to Bitcoin. It looks really great, man. It looks extremely ready to explode. But it doesn't have to today. It could wait. We have plenty of room on the RSI. My internet is running slow. Very slow internet. Alright, right here, this is the top out from 2017. This is in May. As you can see, the level of RSI is nowhere even close to this upper range. So we have plenty of room for the price to move. Looking at the RSI. Even a stochastic RSI show there's still room. And that's what I look for. That is some very important factors. And that right there, looking at the short-term range, is for a lot of day trading. Looking at the long-term range is more for swing trading. But however, look at that slow connection. Gotta love it, gotta love it. And that's what happens when you live in the country, I guess. This is fucking frustrating. Excuse my language, YouTube. I am losing my patience and my Bitcoin. Fucking close. Ugh. Alright, Bitcoin dominance is still creeping up right now. I need all the bandwidth I can get. Just gonna refresh this page and there's no fucking refresh, really. What the fuck? Great. Okay. I literally ran around the house and told everybody to get off the internet. I took like TV remotes away, like no internet for you right now. Do something constructive. But you're on the internet, yeah, just for right now. And actually, when I get done doing this live stream for a little while, I got some art projects I'm gonna be working on. I got some paintings I need to work on, and some T-shirts I'll be making. Got got the Cricut maker over here. Very good investment, especially for people who are into design and fashion and stuff like that. I remember when I was like early teenagers, man, I wanted to design my own clothes. I guess it's because I was poor growing up, never really had the fashionable stuff. And I realized, I can make my own stuff. I just didn't have the actual material and tools to do so. But that didn't stop me. I used to draw a lot when I was a kid. And I used to draw, like, mock-up ideas for clothing designs. And it's something I always wanted to do. And I'm now to that position where I can. And even teaching my kids how to do this. Passing on good knowledge and information and tools, man. It's about life. That's what matters to me in my life. Learning everything I can and trying to pass on that information to my kids, I think is very valuable. Don't really tell them too much about Bitcoin. Even though they know about it, but they don't know about it. It's irrelevant for them right now. And it looks like Bitcoin is still struggling to get above 11,700. Please, Bitcoin, calm down, please. We do not need no volatility right now because I'm not in Bitcoin. I am in XRP, which is down negative 5.1%. And I am in Stellar Lumens, which is down 4.5% in the Bitcoin market. Ooh, it hit a low of 915. Jeez, man. Oh, I should have held on to my Bitcoin a little longer. This is like, hypothetically, if I had held on to my Bitcoin, I would be looking to buy in really soon. And just like, let's hypothetically say that I still have my Bitcoin, and I will point to where I would hypothetically buy back in to XRP with Bitcoin. If we can just get these charts to load. Alright, let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go. Alright, just quickly, since this loaded up. Alright, as I was saying, this is the RSI. This is stochastic RSI. I use this to determine whether I should stay bullish or bearish. We have plenty of more room in the RSI levels to reach. We could literally pump up to $1 or more today. It could really happen today. I don't know what's going to happen. All I can do is look at the charts, and on the weekly time frame, the resistance will be around 45 to 4600 satoshis, with an estimated value of Bitcoin being over $11,500. If we was to reach this level of, let's be conservative here, around 4600 satoshis, that's almost 50 cents per XRP. XRP to 50 cents. It could happen today, but we are currently hitting this moving average, which is the 50 weekly moving average. If we can blow past this 50, then within this week we could hit 50 cents at this next moving average, which is the 200 weekly moving average. Where it is, there it is, weekly. Throw up them dubs. Throw up them dubs for the weekly. But we are finding resistance right here. We have wicked above this, so this spot is a little bit weaker as far as resistance. So I would really not be surprised if we hit right here. Let me pull up a line right here. Prior support will become future resistance. Oh God, that's huge. There we go. Prior support flips into resistance. Hello, Misty, how you doing? Good morning. Good, well, almost lunchtime. Yes, it's 2 minutes away to the noon hour. A little bit late today. I was setting up a swimming pool in my backyard. A little bit late in summer, but I set it up earlier this summer and it was off level. I had it in some sand and the post got wet from the rain and sunk, and like the pool was all off level. So I had to tear down the pool and rebuild it. That's what I've been doing this morning. Rebuilding the swimming pool foundation. That's fun. But anyway, this is XRP right here. If we could break above this 50 weekly moving average, if Bitcoin can calm the fuck down just for a little bit longer, XRP could pump to 50 cents, give or take, because this is 4,500 satoshis, plus 4,500 satoshis, with the estimated value of Bitcoin being over 11,500. That would put it closer to 50 cents. Rough estimate there. And if I was hypothetically still in Bitcoin like I should have been, mistakes are valuable lessons. Don't mistake it. Don't mistake it. Alright, this is a hypothetical situation right here. If I was still in my Bitcoin position, this is a 30-minute chart right here. We look like to be finding a bottom. My stochastic is already bottomed out and curling up. So is my RSI. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive touches of this bottom right here. This short-term bottom. Pull up my line, motherfucker. Anyway, there it is right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 touches to this line right here. It is showing a possible support. RSI confirms that. And we are seeing some green to retest back up into this upper channel of the 50 and the 200. I would hypothetically buy right here, me. But I know my resistance would start here, here, and here. Especially that Bitcoin's waking up in volatility right now. So I would be looking to exit my trade right here. Buy here and sell here. Short-term trade. In and out of Bitcoin, just like that. And sometimes I don't day trade. Sometimes I just let it ride. You know what? Fuck it. It's been in a bear market for 2.5 years. I'm buying the bottom. If I'm bored and got nothing else better to do, I'll trade it. A lot of times I get stuck in a position like I am now, regretting moving in and out. And I had to hodl for a short time. That's just how it goes, man. Hey, man, if anybody's in the chat, anybody watching this, let me know how the sound quality is. I've been having problems with my microphone picking up the motor, the fan motor. And I want to make this pleasurable as possible. I know the mask can be kind of disturbing to some people. I'm sorry. But you clicked on my video because of this mask, probably. And that's the whole reason why I did this. But most important is the sound quality. If I want to do the best I can here, folks. And Bitcoin is still 11,652. Starting to see some green. Stellar lumens, the volume is slowly increasing. XRP volume is down to 122. A couple of days ago, it was over 300, possibly 400 if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look at stellar lumens. Sounds clear. Thank you. Thank you, Name. I had some people leave some comments yesterday talking about how unbearable the video was. They couldn't watch it because of the sound quality. Now, I wrote them a message. I said, well, you know, what was you... Thank you, sir. Thank you, Samuel. Thank you. Bittrex is really fun. I'm American, and I'm very limited to what exchanges I use, but I use Bittrex. Coinbase fees are ridiculous. But, yeah, my name. I had some people leave some comments yesterday talking about the volume. And I said, well, you know, what was you listening to, and how was you listening to it at what volume? They replied back saying that they were listening to it through their laptop with earbuds at the volume max. I said, well, that's possibly the part of your problem right there. But I must agree, I do hear the sound of the motor fan in the background. I will try to regulate that, which I move my desktop on the other side of the wall here and got my microphone spread out a little bit. And I am looking for some music for background play. Maybe some little EDM type of music in the background. Just something that's not really lyrical. Mostly just melody. I even like Beethoven, believe it or not. Somebody who wears a Trump mask, listen to classical music. But yeah, that was one of my concerns with the sound quality. I got a new mask today. I got a new mask. I can't wait to wear it. It hasn't arrived yet, but I'll probably have it tomorrow. It's not a presidential mask. It's something different. You can only imagine. But, okay, here's Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens has had a breakout before XRP. I know a lot of people were like salty as the fuck. XLM was like taking off before XRP. Oh, it was lovely because I've been in crypto space for over 3 years now, and there used to be a feud between XRP and XLM people. It was ridiculous, man. It was really petty. And just like the whole conspiracy theory behind Ripple and Stellar Lumens, I believe they're a bigger part of one company, but secretly they diversified by splitting the company. I believe it was a plan this way. But that's just theoretically speaking. That is not facts. Again, same as XRP, Stellar Lumens has broken out, but the next resistance level will be the 200 weekly moving average. They're all the same. This is the purple's a 200, the white's 50, yellow's 21, and red is 10. So, let's take a look at the future price prediction of Stellar Lumens. Just under the 200 weekly moving average, we have 1,570 Satoshis. With the price average of Bitcoin being 11,500, this would put Stellar Lumens close to 20 cents for USD market value. On this time frame, it looks like we're building a bull flag. If you look closely here, you see this wick right here? This insane wick. Let's see if I can get it closer. There we go. Right here, I think it's 42%. Oh, I can't see it. Shit, that's 70%. Yeah, 70% move right here. With this wick right here from top to bottom. When I'm investing into a crypto project that I believe in, when I buy in, I do not set a stop loss sell order. This is how you lose your coins and have to buy back in at a higher price. I know it sounds scary, but this is why it's important to learn basic technical analysis of knowing when to buy and when not to, and doing your own research into the company for the fundamental value of these coins. Had I had a stop loss right there, I would have been wrecked. If I had a stop loss in here, anywhere from here all the way down, I would have lost every single one of my coins, and I would have had to buy back in. Let's say, for instance, okay, let's play it safe and put a stop loss down here. Surely it would never go back down here again. It did. And had my stop loss triggered, I would have sold my coins at a low value below from what I bought in, and would have been forced to buy back in once Stellar Lumens started taking off again. Me personally, I do not use stop losses because I do not buy anything unless it's proven to be continuously going up. So therefore, I do not use stop losses. So anybody who's trying to stream snipe me, your stop losses ain't gonna catch me, buddy. You can say that shit. You give me another stop loss, I'll buy it. I got extra fiat for that, bud. I dare somebody to drop the price on these coins. I dare them. And I seriously do not believe we will see low prices again because, for one, the government is sending out stimulus checks. The moment that the announcement's made that they will be sending stimulus checks, the prices have skyrocketed Bitcoin, gold, silver, and copper. Nobody's going to let you buy in cheap, especially knowing that millions of people are about to get stimulus checks. They're going to price that in before anybody ever gets their first stimulus check. So, my future target price for Stellar Lumens is roughly between 15 cents and 20 cents. The future price prediction for XRP is roughly 45 cents to 50 cents. So we're just going to kick back and watch, man. There's not a whole lot we could do at this point. Me personally, I am stuck in my position. It will not be selling at a loss. And I say a loss because I do not trade in and out of US dollars. I trade in and out of Bitcoin. That's what's my primary trading strategy. What, kitty? My cat's over here acting wild. I put down some catnip earlier, so they're running around frantically. So, I mean, honestly, man, the same type of scenario of trading is with Stellar Lumens as it is Ripple XRP. We're basically at the same position. Let's see, how much of percentage do we lose right here? Wow, 7.76%. Had I just held on to my Bitcoin, I could have increased my XLM bag by 7%, roughly. 7 to 5%. Ow! Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Ugh. Yeah, long as Bitcoin doesn't go like above $12,000, I'm not really worried. But if Bitcoin starts breaking back above $12,000, I'm going to be on the edge of my seat because if it gets above $12,000 and holds support, we're going to be testing 13,000 and 15,000. Way things are moving right now, and all the stimulus checks that are coming out, I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin reach $20,000 before the end of summer. That's why I say Bitcoin to $33,000. Where's my fucking mouth? My mouth? Is that my mouth? Yeah, I think that's my mouth. Yeah. Yeah. The life of a trader, man. I tell you what, it's really exciting. It can be at times, but a lot of times it's just boring. But this way, doing a live stream, man, I get to, talk to people, see their points of view, and I don't know, man, it's kind of cool. Let's take a look. I want to take a look at the dominance chart. Maybe my internet will allow me to do that. Go. Ow! 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 That's my finger. Oh, let's take a look. I made this chart yesterday during the live stream. This is link right here. I made this chart yesterday, and it is on the 1 hour chart. Yesterday, I was talking about how I would look for link to consolidate in this area and possibly break out again. By TradingView, you can come to your charts that you published, and you can press the stream button right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's Bitcoin. Okay. So anything below this right here becomes bearish. It looks like we're finding support. Right here, we should continue up and break out of this. If not, retest this as resistance. This is also the Bitcoin to link chart, not the Bitcoin link to US dollar. There's a big difference. One thing's good right now is that the Bitcoin dominance is not going volatile, and it seems to be testing on the 1 hour chart right here. What you doing? That's my button. God damn cat. Yeah, it looks like we're finding resistance right here, which is lovely. This is lovely. This is what I want to see. Let's pull a bigger one up. Alright, this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. When Bitcoin dominance goes down, altcoins are allowed to pump in the Bitcoin market. Above the rectangle box right here, purple, we have passed into overbought territory. So now we'll be retesting the lower regions. Also, we're hitting resistance at this area here, which is just below the 200 moving average. and possibly we'll find support around the 21 and 50, if not continuing higher to test this upper resistance right here, which should put us around $12,000. Just something to keep an eye on. That's how I trade in and out of altcoins and Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the best performing coins right now. Ethereum Classic, man. It's up 247%. But also, the price of it was kind of manipulated because Ethereum Classic was offline and was not tradable on this exchange and probably other ones. So if you had a buy order in at below $3 or around $3, you could have got a steal. You could have made a lot of money right now. So I'm expecting to see some sell orders on this right here. If not, that means it's going to go even higher. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of sell orders right now. People got some hellacious deals with the Ethereum Classic. I'm gonna play some music, man. None of my videos are monetized, so it don't matter. Oh, Ethereum Classic, man. I'm not sure if anybody has been following my conspiracy theory ideas about the Phoenix coin. I do recall that the new upgrade for Ethereum Classic is the Phoenix. So I got my eyes on Ethereum Classic, especially because they're calling the upgrade. Please recap. Yes, I've been looking for the rise of the Phoenix. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, the coin that I'm talking about is I've been on the hunt for this right here. This is what I'm looking for. It's not a very good picture right here, but here's a better one right here. If I'm not mistaken, right here. Alright, take a look at this picture right here. This was published January the 9th, 1988. Almost 33 years away. This January the 9th, 2021 will make 33 years. 33 years, or number 33, is very significant in the Illuminati numerology circles. So I'm expecting 2021 that we will see the beginning rise of the Phoenix. This is from the Economist magazine. And you should read this article. It's not very long, and it talks about how there will be a world currency, a digital world currency. This was in 1988, right before blockchain was publicized. Of course, they were working on blockchain since the beginning of the internet. The internet was built by the military American government and other companies working together to do this. When they started sending their first email, they realized that the emails that they sent were nothing but a copy. Thus, they could not send secure information. The internet was not created for us. The internet was created for the military and government usage. So, to make it safe for secure data to be sent back and forth over the internet, they had to create the blockchain technology to confirm that the data that was sent was not intercepted and changed, and to confirm that it was legitimately sent from the sender to the receivee. The blockchain was developed by IBM and other companies. The Satoshi Nakamoto is a dream, people. A lot of people don't like me for the statements that I say, but hey, prove me wrong. So therefore, I have been looking for the Phoenix coin. Ethereum Classic right here. Let's pull up Ethereum Classic. By looking for the Phoenix, I've been doing a lot of research into different coins. There it is. Here you see is the Phoenix. The new upgrade is the Phoenix for Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic could play a major role in the new financial system. I seriously think so. And I will be trying to accumulate some of these coins as I progress in my trading. I'm assuming that the reason why Ethereum Classic was offline for a while was due to the upgrade, the Phoenix upgrade that they just did. Assuming here. It is very interesting. I've been doing some research for some years about this, and what has caught my attention is Ethereum Classic, Stellar Lumens, XRP, VeChain is very interesting as well. I think the Phoenix could be, yeah, it was at $2. Ethereum Classic, where'd it go? Let's pull it up. Ethereum Classic was at $2.06 less than 24 hours ago. That was due to market manipulation and the fact that Ethereum Classic was not tradable during the upgrade that just recently happened. That's how the price was able to drop so low, more than 200 something%. And the only people who could have took advantage of that was people who was smart enough to foresee the potential of Ethereum Classic going offline on the exchanges and placing buy orders way below the going price. There's so much to keep up with on here, man. There's so many great coins, and you can lose focus on what you're trading. So even though I missed out on this opportunity, I know it's not too late to buy more later on. You just got to look for the potential of, you want to buy before the breakouts. And if you don't buy before the breakout, wait for the retest of support. Don't buy the top, thinking you're missing out. You're not going to miss out. There's plenty of time to buy. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not your president. I'm just somebody who's a friendly person and kind-hearted to help you learn from my mistakes. I like negative $8,000 from buying tops and selling bottoms. It's a lesson to learn, thinking that you can just buy in whenever you want and try to trade, buy and sell without knowing the technical analysis. I lost $8,000 doing so. So I know what it's like, and once I lost that much money, I started learning how to trade. I started learning technical analysis. Misty says, I need more investment money. Where the stimulus check? It's coming. The stimulus check is coming. And I don't want to get too political in here, but there is a mix-up between the two parties of defined details of how these stimulus checks will be delivered, how much money each group of people should get. So that's what's happening right now. They are sending more stimulus check, and my prediction is that they will do a nationwide lockdown before the election. We shall see. Misty says it better hurry before the next breakout. Man, I know. I mean, even if, hypothetically, the stimulus checks does not reach before the next breakout, say for instance the price breakout, and then you get your stimulus check and you want to invest some of it in there, wait for the price to drop back down, and just hit me up in the live stream and tell me, hey, check out this chart for me. What do you think about it? And I will show you where the resistance is and where the support is. Support is where you want to buy at, not the resistance, which is the higher levels. You want to buy the retest of support. Just hit me up. I got you. I can't tell you what to do with your money. I can tell you what I would do with my money investing in any coin. I'll just show you where the support and resistance is. But back to the Phoenix. My theory is that it's more than just one coin. I feel like it's going to be an entire system between Ethereum Classic, maybe VeChain, Bitcoin, Stellar Lumens, Ripple XRP. It could be a series of them, complete a whole network. We're just going to have to find out now, won't we? Let's take a quick look at the dominance chart. We are still under 63% dominance. Altcoins have a chance. Let's take a look at this guy right here. I have no idea who he is. I don't follow him. Okay, roughly about the same thing right here. On my chart, I am calling for support around 57, 58% here and the lower 50% range. If this falls through right here, all of the major altcoins are going to pump phenomenally. Will this be the major alt run that everybody's looking for? I do not think so. I believe for Misty, listen to this right here. If you don't get your stimulus check in time and altcoins start pumping while the dominance is going down, you will have a second chance. I believe that the dominance, if it falls, will test here, between here and here, and take off up to 80-something% to about right here. That's where Bitcoin will be around $33,000. Once Bitcoin reaches roughly $33,000, the Bitcoin dominance will shoot up to around 80-something% and top out. That will be the resistance. And then altcoins will run again. And that run right there will be phenomenal. that will be the major altcoin run. We're going to have two altcoin runs. If the dominance can fall this time, we're going to have a small altcoin rally where the price is going to go up really fucking high. But right here, in this area, Bitcoin will take off again up to about right fucking there. See that spot right there? See that little fucking middle finger right there? That's where it's going. 85%. At that point, I believe Bitcoin could be anywhere between $33,000 or even higher. But I like the number 3. I'm not a numerologist, but I've had some theories for a long time, way before numerology became a thing to my knowledge. It's very prolific in my life. And a lot of things happen in my life with 3. I don't even want to get into it. I already look crazy enough with this mask on. My friends know what I'm talking about. But anyway, if you don't get your stimulus check in time, just wait. This is not going to be the major altcoin rally. There will be 2 major altcoin rallies. This one will be big, but not as big as the major one. You got time, so be patient. Okay. This mask is hot as fuck. I'm about to wrap this stream up. Man, just, live trading, man. When you're dealing with cryptocurrencies, it's high risk, it's high volatile. I'm not your financial advisor, but I talk to everybody in here as a friend. Even though I might not know you, I'm a very nice person, sometimes too generous. And this is a way for me to give back to the community and maybe help the people who are new to the crypto space, help them to not make the same mistakes that I made. My mistakes are very costly. You're welcome, Misty. Yeah, I need some real air. This is crazy, man. Maybe one day, if I get like 1 million subscribers, I'll do a face reveal. I'm kind of cute, Personally, I think I'm kind of handsome. Got some muscles, I got a nice chin line. You can't see it right now, but I think I'm kind of handsome. If I get 1 million subscribers, man, I'll do a fucking face reveal. This is just all a gimmick to get some clicks, I try to tell that to people, but they don't understand. Anyway, y'all trade safe. I got some art projects to do. Got to get on some Photoshop, do some painting. Got to get my hustle on, man. I do more than just cryptocurrencies. Hey, I got a great... I'm kind of goofy, man. I'm really goofy. I got a goofy personality. I like to make people laugh. Yeah, you got to see me dancing. That'll make you laugh. Man, y'all have a great day. And I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Maybe we'll have some more things to talk about, just a little bit different. And y'all trade safe if y'all do decide to trade. If you don't know, do some research. And just hodl your coins until you learn what you're doing, man. Y'all take it easy. Peace out.